Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Mountainside, New Jersey. Just completed this awesome corner shower with satin brass hardware, all in 3/8 inch clear tempered glass. This is a very popular corner shower, wall mounted door, inline panel, return panel. All of this hardware is in stock, Exceptional Glass brand, satin brass hardware, everything in a square profile. The only thing that's not is the ladder style pole. Now this guy is from C.R. Lawrence. We do have square versions of the satin brass though in stock, so get a heads up on that. So aside from that, it's another beautiful shower. Yes, the tape is included, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.